Welcome students on online class for subject physics for the 11th and 12th science. Today we have to learn about definitions, formulas in terms of length, mass, time of various physical quantities in mechanics and properties of matter. So first of all, we have to see what is meant by physical quantity. So here we have to see different various quantities. These different quantities are the quantity which describe law of physics, which can explain law of physics, can measure directly or indirectly, called as physical quantity. This physical quantity is specified into three categories. Number one, we see numerical value only. In this first, we have seen numerical values only. In second, it has only magnitude, means magnitude only. Actually, the quantity which has only magnitude called as scalar quantity. So here they are scalar quantity, like mass, charge, current. Here the third, it will be magnitude as well as direction, means the quantity which has magnitude as well as direction called vector quantity. And so that its example will be displacement. It has magnitude as well as direction. Torque. It also has magnitude as well as direction, etc. So we again revise the physical quantity which describes the laws of physics, and such quantities are said to be physical quantities. We have to see some definitions, formulas of physical quantities in terms of length, mass and time. But here first of all we see about length. See here about length. When we see about length, so that it is the distance between 2 points. See here, one point is here, one point is here. The distance between 2 points, suppose that position will be A, that position will be B. So we measure that the distance between 2 points is said to be distance. It will be A to B or it will be B to A. That is said to be distance. It has no direction, means length will be only magnitude. This length, similarly breadth, which is same as length, height, which is similar to length, radius, wavelength. Then large distance. See here, large distance from Earth means the distance of planet from Earth, distance of star from Earth are calculated by parallax method. See here, radius of electron are also measured like instrument named as vernier caliper. Another instrument will be screw gauge. Third will be traveling microscope. Fourth will be electron microscope. Fifth will be telescope. All these are used to measure the large distance from Earth's surface. So first, large distance, it is light year. We know that light year is a large distance from Earth's surface, which is defined as, see here, its definition will be distance traveled by light in 1 year is called light year. See here, 1 year means 365 days, means 24 hours, means 60 minutes, and 60 minutes means 1 minute will be 60 seconds. So here the time in 1 year will be 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 seconds. So measurement of length, this length will be measured in meter. Length is measured in meter. So a question arises. That question will be, what is meter? So we say that meter is unit for length. So first of all, we have seen what is the definition for meter? It is 1 upon 10 to the power 7 part, means 1 upon 10 to the power 7th part, or 10 to the power minus 7th part of the distance between pole and equator. We know that pole and equator along a meridian. Pole and equator along a meridian. But this definition is not convenient. So another definition will be the distance between scratches. Distance between scratches. Scratches. Engraved. Distance between scratches engraved on platinum, iridium, on platinum iridium bar, preserved at 273.6 degree Kelvin, and 1 bar pressure, and at 1 bar pressure is also said to be meter. Another definition will be meter is defined as a wavelength. Meter is defined as a wavelength of light. Is also called atomic standard of length. Atomic standard of length. Then another definition, it will be also seen that meter is distance containing, it is distance containing 1650,763.73 1650,763.73 wavelengths in vacuum. Wavelengths in vacuum of radiation. It will be also definition of length. This radiation corresponding to the orange, red light of krypton 86. Sometimes MCQ will be asked 1 meter will be, and some options will be given. So here krypton 86 means orange red light. Krypton 86 means Meter is distance containing 1650763.73 wavelengths in vacuum of radiation corresponding to the orange red light of krypton 86. Another will be said to be meter is defined as the length of path which is traveled by light in vacuum 1 upon 299,792,458. Meter is defined as length of path traveled by light in vacuum in 1 upon 299,792,458 part of a second. Means light year is also unit for distance traveled in 1 year. So that we know velocity is equal to distance upon time, the basic formula. If we can find out the distance, so we can say that distance is equal to time multiplied by velocity. If time is given in 1 year and velocity of light is given, so we can find out distance. So that distance will be here, time will be 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, that is in second, multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8. If we can multiply by using logarithmic table, then we say that 1 light year, it will be 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. That is the unit for distance or unit for length of path of light in vacuum. There are another units of length in astronomical. So we know that mean distance of center of sun, mean distance of center of sun from the center of earth, it will be 1 astronomical unit, and that astronomical unit, it has value 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. That unit is sometimes said to be astronomical unit. So we can remember that is also length, that is also distance of center of sun from center of earth, that will be 1 astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. And wavelength of light, it also measured in angstrom unit. that can be represented by a to the power 0. It is also said that angstrom unit. Here that is angstrom unit and that is astronomical unit. So 1 angstrom unit, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Here 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.96 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Some conversions will be seen, like if 1 centimeter is given, that centimeter is converted in meter, that will be 10 to the power minus 2 meter. If 1 millimeter is given, that is converted in 10 to the power minus 3 meter. If 1 micro is given, micrometer is given, then it will be converted as 10 to the power minus 6 meter. If 1 nanometer will be given, that is converted as 10 to the power minus 9 meter. If 1 picometer will be given, that value will be 10 to the power minus 12 meter. If 1 Fermi meter will be given, its value will be 10 to the power minus 15 meter. X-ray, 1 X-ray unit, it has 10 to the power minus 13 meter. It has 10 to the power minus 13 meter. So if another terms is given, that is 1 kilometer is there, then it is 10 to the power 3 meter. If distance will be given as 1 mega, then it is converted into 10 to the power 6 meter. If distance is given 1 giga, then its conversion will be 10 to the power 9. If given 1 tera, its conversion will be 10 to the power 15. Sorry, its conversion will be 10 to the power 12. If 1 peta, then its conversion will be 10 to the power 15. Similarly, 1 parsec, that is parallax method. So here that will be 3.26 light year. It will also remember. 3.26 light year means 3.26 into 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Means 1 parsec, it's having value 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. This calculation is by using logarithmic table. So that 1 parsec is a distance at which it is a distance at which a star subtends at angle of parallax of 1 second at an arc of 1 astronomical unit. So here we can see about the length. Then second physical quantity, it will seen that about mass. Second quantity will be seen mass. Mass is basic properties of matter. Mass is the characteristics of body that relates the force acting on body to the resulting acceleration. The standard for mass is kilogram, means mass is measured in kilogram. That standard is for measurement of mass. So we can see that 1 kilogram is defined as mass of 1 kilogram is defined as mass of a platinum, iridium, cylinder which is stored in special vault. This called as or is called as 1 kilogram. The standard for 1 part is 10 to the power 8 parts. In atomic mass unit, it is for measurement of mass of atom. Means in mass of atom, it is measured in atomic mass unit. So this atomic mass unit, it is defined as mass of hydrogen atom, which is fundamental unit of mass. Later on, the basis of atomic mass unit has been shifted from hydrogen to oxygen and now to carbon 12. Hydrogen to oxygen, oxygen to carbon 12 atom. So we can define as 1 atomic mass unit is defined as 1 upon 12th part. 1 upon 12th part or 1 upon 12th mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope is called as 1 atomic mass unit. So here mass of carbon 12 atom will be 12 upon Avogadro's number is equal to 12 upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 26 kg. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 upon 12 in bracket 12 upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 26 kg. What happened? 12 get cancel. Reciprocal of 6.02 will be 0.167 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. So by shifting decimal point here, by shifting decimal point 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. That will be 1 atomic mass unit. So the standard for measurement of mass, it will be kg. The standard for measurement of mass will be kg. And then we can see the third physical quantity is time. So time is defined as the time interval of nine 196 231 770 vibrations. The time interval of 9 196 231 770 vibrations of radiation. Vibrations of radiation corresponding to the transition between specific to specific hyperfine level in the cesium 133 atom. Means definition of time it is defined as the time interval of 9 196 231 770 vibrations of radiation corresponding to the transition between two specific hyperfine level in cesium 133 atom, or another terms is called as in the duration of nine 196 231 770 in the duration of period of radiation corresponding to the transition between two specific hyperfine level in the cesium 133 atom is also called as time. This cesium clock, it will go wrong by 1 second in 10 to the power 12 upon 3.16 into 10 to the 7 means 30,000 years. So that time can never flow back, means it cannot decrease as from present. Future will come, it not past. At a given instant time, a physical object cannot be more than one position in space. So finally, we say that the standard for time, it will be second. The standard for measurement of time will be second. Means we can see the three physical quantities. Number one, it will be length, and the length is measured in meter. Length, it can be measured in meter. Then we see the mass. Mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in second. So we can find out some definitions, formulas in terms of length, mass, time of various physical quantities. So in this way we can see the first will be in mechanics and properties of matter. Which physical quantities are included in mechanics and properties of matter is seen later on next video. Thank you.